The InSkin Winter Sneezing Pulse Point offers immediate relief by helping to clear nasal passages. It's compact and great for carrying around with you and can be used as and when you feel bunged up with a cold. There are 7 ingredients only, including peppermint, rosemary and lavender. All the ingredients are active, as we simply don't add any water, preservatives or thickeners. Working with a pharmacologist has ensured that we put the maximum amount of decongestant oils in this for you, which ensures the maximum benefits for you. It's easy to use. Simply roll over the wrist pulse points and breathe in the very minty aroma. Why not be nurtured with rose petal hugs?